Why is there no locals here? Why is there no kids? Why are there no kuyas playing around here? You know what I mean? There was kuyas playing around here. There's a bit more comfortable.
Because they know how dangerous this place is.
Let's go down first. Let me have a look first. You're right. Let's go down first.
I want to climb that. If you're gonna go down there, I'm gonna climb that and sit there.
Yeah. Let's get a juice to the
So,
water first.
in again. Filipino people have, ouch, very high security when it comes to barricades.